Welcome to our home. Let's go in.
I'm Chink.
Hey, I'm Chris.
And we're the Traveling Rock Stars.
Here's our trailer. Come check out our story.
Yeah, all about us and our life. Where did it all begin? We were high school and middle school sweethearts.
So it all started as middle school sweethearts, and then we had a 13-year journey to experience life a little apart, but then the universe did what?
Brought us back together. Brought me to Seattle.
Yeah, so we were in the city of Seattle, city of grunge, where I was inspired as a musician, and she finally finished school after the millionth time.
I know, and I became a hairstylist for rock stars, in fact, even the likes of Alice in Chains guitarist.
Jerry Cantrell, one of my boys. So, yep, we were doing that on our way, finished school. She had her career going, and I was working at Microsoft. And then travesty happened.
I got sick, really sick.
Yeah,
really sick.
So she got really sick, went to multiple doctors, quacks.
I had to quit doing hair, and I ended up staying in bed for 2 years.
Yep, and the first couple months into it, she ended up
having to take care of him.
Yeah, because I got in a vroom motorcycle accident.
45 miles per hour sliding down the freeway.
Yeah, but hey.
Out of body experience too.
Yeah, one of those NED, NDE, near death experience. I had an NDE. I went indie. I went indie.
We're indigo.
Hey, are you recording this? After that, we ended up
deciding to buy an RV.
Yeah, so we started our own company online and didn't have anywhere else to go, and candles burning at both ends and taking out loans and all this extra business startup money, and went ahead and decided to hit the road, didn't we?
We did. We bought a 1989 Bounder.
Yeah, 89.
Have you ever seen Breaking Bad?
Yeah, it's almost pretty much that exact model. If anybody's seen the show, they'll understand what we're saying. So anyways, we
decided to paint it. Yeah. I did.
And it took a lot of work. Yeah, she did by herself. I didn't touch it.
You'll see
that's
how
a lie. I actually helped and I did a lot.
He did.
She just always takes the credit.
We fully renovated inside and outside of the vehicle. I put a mural all over the whole entire outside of the vehicle, taking months upon months upon months and tons of work.
And even today, we're almost done.
I know. It's a work in progress, but I'm getting there.
Yep, and we gutted it. We gutted the inside. I ripped up carpet, did all this crazy stuff over and over.
Fully painted the inside. That was...
The carpet literally smelled like an old dog. It smelled like an old golden retriever. That's what it smelled
delicious.
Like. And that's our domain and where we're at today, but we decided to hit the road right after that, right?
Yeah, and after that we decided to start a YouTube show and teach people what we know, which right at the moment is RVing, hair, travel, music,
how to put it together.
That's why we're the Traveling Rock Stars.
Yeah. So.
And we want to share our experiences with you. We want to show you our story and have you come along with us while we go and explore different places and different things. And
yeah, different things and experiences. That's what it's all about. It's all about the experiences and sharing that.
And I'll share my health stuff with you. I'm open book. Some hair tricks, some beauty tricks.
I'll do the same. Wait. Just kidding. This is all natural.
One of the reasons why I started this whole entire experience was because he is a beautiful, beautiful, amazing musician.
So I play music.
And I wanted him
Like the
to
way
be
I
able to spread his love and music and stuff all over the world.
So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to be sharing it and teaching you how I'm learning through technology this era, because I'm an old dog that started with the old recording boards and all the soundboards and equipment, and now we have all the new toys and technology. So as I'm learning, you'll be learning, we'll be experiencing, and that's what it's all about. The ups, the downs of life, all the experiences.
And we're a little goofy.
For sickness and for health.
Until death do us part.
Yeah, till death will never part. I'm gonna haunt your beep. Wait.
We want to experience more stuff and travel the world and see everything. We want you to come along with us and share those experiences.
Yes, come travel with us. It's a long, windy road, and we don't know where it's gonna take us, but that's the beauty of it.
And we want to share all of our travel trips and tips.
Wow, that was good. And then we want to show you all the
Tricks and
hot
tips.
spots to stop. It's all about the windy roads, the crazy trips, the hours.
I got a winding road on my head.
Yeah, pretty much. The hours and hours of work on this truck, the hours and hours of painting and work and ripping this thing apart. But here we are today, this beauty beast behind us. Not Beauty and the Beast, it's a beauty beast.
It's a beast.
Come along, come join with us. I hope you enjoy.
Have some laughs.
Yes, and we're there to help you as well.
Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we have a new episode, every Thursdays and Sundays.
Keep it rocking, guys. Peace.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your wall.
Nailed it.